Hello everyone, how are you doing? A little bit dusty behind me. I wonder why that may be. I want to say thank you to all of the very kind comments, the very supportive comments from everybody in our last Sunday premiere. Some of it was very, very helpful, particularly to St. Bridget. Thank you very much. So this is the first of the tri-weekly videos, and I'm putting this little introduction to preface to also announce that we have a Patreon. So if you think that you might be able to support us, that would be very, very helpful. So take a look at the description below. There is a free option. You don't have to pay anything. And hopefully some of you guys might find some of the additional stuff that we do there interesting. So the first of these tri-weekly videos is going to go back to the summer where my beard is quite a bit shorter. There are definitely more leaves on the trees. And Milan and myself, we're just about to start the process of preparing to put the insulated panels to the front of this building. Stay tuned at the end and I'll show you what the floor looks like.
Put there, get to it. This might be the I'm sensing a pattern.
So we're going to measure up these 4 openings for roller shutters in case we decide that we're going to use them. So we have our height 2132, I would say 2130. I think we'll go for 2130. That's 1132 and 1132. 1117. So number 1 and number 4 are identical. 1122, 1117 and 1107. Number 2, Dormer, is the red-headed stepchild of the the organisation. A little bit malnourished. Yeah.
Just one at the bottom and one at the top. It's enough. Grit. Grit or not grit? I think this one has to be here because
I can see. That's a bit sad looking, that, isn't it? Not that worried about it.
oh no, it's just commercial.
Salut! Hi, my friend. Hello, sweetie.
Hi, sweetie. Body.
Hello, sugar plum.
For the winter. Oh yeah!
We will survive the night.
Just one night.
Le chef de la nounou.
Eh oui.
Il arrive avec le chapeau fort,
Ah ouais.
le hard hat.
Yes, of course.
Les couleurs blanches.
Ouais.
Oui, c'est le premier chapeau.
Magnifique. Ouais, c'est le cheap of the cheap.
Ouais. Quand tu as besoin d'un unitaire.
C'est cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Bon.
What a beautiful garden.
Oh, wow. It's for a beautiful owner as well.
See you.
Bisous. Yes.
Okay, so see you tomorrow.
Yep. See you tomorrow.
You watch to the end. Let's have a little look. As you can see, we decided to sand it down. It's very, very, very dusty in here right now. Honestly, I've got ginger hair up here, right? Like, subscribe, and hype if you could, and we will see you in a couple of days. This is new, isn't it? Bye.